What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are on our Feit electric tour. You guys, until I got into serious product reviews, because I used to do product reviews just typing and stuff, but until I actually got to know these products and stuff like that, Feit Electric is very good at whatever they do or whatever they put in their electronics to make it quality efficient. Let's put it that way. They are good. Now, Feit Electric has here a 2000 lumen rechargeable LED work light with a tripod. Got this from Costco, $50. Now, this is not the Costco where I live at. I had to go to a different Costco, in which, if you are in the Maryland area, I went to Columbia, Maryland, Costco to get this. Maybe it's at your Costco. I will check online to see if it's online, and then I will drop a link for that. But other than that, let's go ahead and get to the quirks and features, as Doug DeMiro will say. The high on here is 2000 lumens. You know, pros be like, oh, that's all the lumens you can do. Well, it's budget friendly. It's $50. It's a DIY thing. It's not really a commercial grade work light, okay? So the medium is 1000 lumens for 4 hours runtime. The high is 2000 lumens, 2 hours of runtime. Low, 700 lumens, 9 hours of runtime. If you are in your shop for 9 hours, salute to you. Detachable head, rechargeable, water resistant, impact resistant, 2 color temperatures. Choose cool white or daylight. Includes charger block and charging cable. Now, let's get into the fun stuff. Oh, this is cool. It has its own little carrying case. Wow, this looks nice. I like it, I like it, I like it. Press the button, opens out. Nice tripod. It says it goes up 4 foot, 51 inches. And when it's closed like that, it's 26 inches. There you go. So the bottom is magnetic. Built-in hook. It tells you specs right here, just in case you want to know your specs for the daylight and the white light. All that fun stuff is over. We have instructions. Who cares? It's like, no, I'm just kidding. People mad because I throw instructions. You guys, I don't look at instructions too much because something like this would just be pretty much simple for me. Here are the instructions, and I'm not going to go over because I'm in a rush to see this and touch buttons. Well, I found the power button. Oh, lift up and down. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. You guys, this is actually pretty cool. All right, I'm already excited. Power right here. And then you got your, oh, okay. That's the daylight. Wait, or soft white. This soft white, right? Yeah, soft white. Got your daylight. Soft white, okay. Oh, yes, I gotta read the instructions. I will fast forward, y'all, for all this boring stuff I have to read. All right, so it says keep pressing the power button. Oh, you gotta press it fast, you guys. Now it's starting to work. Okay, this is pretty cool. The power port right there, or charger, the recharger port or chargeable port, or however you want to frame it. Flip this up and it flips up all the way. There you go. They said you can adjust this, right? Should I be reading the instructions again? If you know how to work a tripod, then you shouldn't need instructions for this. If you want to, basically you turn this left, just like any other tripod, and you loosen this part right here and it comes down. And it goes up. All right, to tighten it, you twist it right. Same thing with the middle part. There's a middle part here. You turn it left, whoop, and it comes down. All right, you turn right and it tightens it. If you want to get the head off, just like any other tripod, you put a camera on it, and you can turn it. You have your magnets on the bottom. I have metal here.
So you're just gonna keep that there?
No, but this is pretty cool though to keep here. So, with that being said, the magnet is perfect. And there goes your proof right here. And it's hard to get off. One last thing before I go, I'm gonna turn the light off on your face. You have the hook right here. So if you want to hang this, you can actually turn the hook. It's in this little swivel ball right there, so it's not gonna come out or nothing. But yeah, you can actually just keep this with you upstairs or wherever you want to go, and you can just use this as a little spotlight, put it on a table while you're out with your friends or in the backyard in the patio. This is a pretty sturdy tripod just to use it to put your camera on it. Okay, you guys, so it don't say nothing here about locking the legs. So once you have it out, that's it. All right, just put it right on the ground, and it don't bend up when you put it on the ground anyway. Oh, righty tighty, lefty is loosey. Bring it down. Twist. Lefty is loosey. Bring it down. Turn it back to right. And that's it. Pretty cool. Awesome. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Yeah, and that's about it. So shout out to Feit Electric for making some very awesome products. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.